thought I should dress for the occasion. I'm totally kidding. I don't even have pants on. I am a mess. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. It's not necessarily a curly hair video, which I normally do on this channel, but I have a question for you guys. So as you all know, I make curly hair videos here on this YouTube channel, but I realize that some of you might not know what else I do. Aside from making curly hair videos here on YouTube or posting inspirational content on Instagram, I am also a full-time college student and an entrepreneur. I'm the founder and CEO of Ardent Candle Company, which is a company that specializes in making modern home fragrance products, specifically candles at the moment. And I'm also the founder and CEO of Curly District, which is a line of satin-lined hoodies. So they are hoodies and the lining in them is satin so that it's good on your hair. It doesn't dry it out, mess it up, make it frizzy or get that little staticky effect. So I'm currently running 2 companies on top of YouTube and school. And I thought it might be really cool or really good idea to like show you guys sort of the behind the scenes of owning and operating a company. I thought about showing you guys my lab and just filling you guys in on the day in the life of a college entrepreneur. So what I want to know is, what do you think about that? Because on this YouTube channel, I make these videos for you. I make these videos to help you feel confident and feel good about your hair. And so this is a little off topic. I thought that this was a really cool idea, but I don't make these videos for me. I make them for you. So I want to know what you think about this. I'm going to put a poll up at the top of the screen, and I would really appreciate it if you could answer that honestly. Just letting me know, would you be interested in a CEO series? You know, I upload 2 videos on this channel every week, so it would probably be like once or twice a month out of the 8 videos that I post every month. And so if you could really answer that poll honestly, I'd really appreciate that, so that I know, like, should I go on with this or should I just stick to the curly hair videos? Like, do you really just here for the curly hair videos, or do you think that might be interesting to watch? I don't know, so I need you guys' feedback. So please, I'd appreciate it if you could vote on the poll above, because once again, I'd really like to know, like, would you guys really want to see this? You know, I'm not really sure if any of you guys are even into entrepreneurship, or who knows, maybe some of you out there do want to start a business and you just maybe want to see the behind the scenes of like, what does it look like? How does it go? What do I need to do? What are the steps to take and all that stuff? So I'm happy to make that type of content if that's what you like. And it wouldn't be all the time, you know, I'd still be making my curly hair video, but just here and there, there'll be a little splash of, you know, a little different type of video. Switching it up a bit. Additionally, if you have any comments about that, like if there is anything specific that you want to see, or maybe you are interested in starting a business, please let me know down below, because it'll sort of help me get an idea of like, if you guys do want to see this type of content, what to focus on. Like, you know, some people might be focused on like, hey, how do you handle and manage your inventory? Or some people might be focused on how do you ship your product? Or some people might be focused on what do I do? Like, how do I start? How do I even just start? So please, if you have any comments or questions, and if you are interested, please let me know down below, like what specifically would you like look forward to or want to get out of them? Because like I said, I'm here to help. As always, thank you so much for your time and your participation. You're the best. And sorry this video wasn't as entertaining or as fun as my videos normally are. This is probably a really quick, simple video, but I just really wanted to be able to ask all of you what you think about this, because I don't want to just make the videos just because I think it's a cool idea. I make these videos to help you, so I want to know what you want. Yeah, I really just thought making a video about it was the best way to go about getting you guys' opinion. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. Finally, I upload videos to this channel every Tuesday and Friday, so please let me know if you are interested in seeing a CEO series of videos, or the day in the life of an entrepreneur, and I will catch you guys next week.